Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am your health and life insurance consultant Kajal. In today's video, I will give you information about how important is health insurance in our life. But before starting the video, I would like to request all my viewers that please subscribe to my channel, like my video and press the bell icon so that you can get the latest updates regarding my videos. Let's start the video. Friends, health insurance is also a vital part of our survival, same like our daily necessities like food, clothes and house. But a question comes in everyone's mind, is it really necessary to buy a health insurance plan? And if we are buying a health insurance plan, then the multiple question hits us like how much should be the sum insured, which policy should be bought, and for how much amount. So friends, in today's video, I will analyze these questions for you. Diseases are increasing day by day in our everyday life. Medical expenses are also increasing day by day. Take the most talked about coronavirus in today's date, which has created panic in people all over the world. Today, if we look at the cost of treatment of corona, then the cost of few days admission in the private hospital will not be less than 4 to 5 lakhs, in which some private hospitals do not start treatment till the patient deposit 2 to 3 lakhs in the reception. Even after spending this much, possibility could be that beds are unavailable in the hospital. Now many people buy health insurance but not with enough amount. For example, if a person takes insurance plan of 1 lakh, then this amount is very less to cover the cost of critical illnesses, because nowadays even for the treatment of minor illnesses in the hospital, you easily get a bill around 1 to 2 lakh rupees. It means if you are taking an insurance plan with an insufficient amount, then keep this in your mind that you are not insured at all. You are still at a risk of paying huge hospital bills, because in treatment of your any critical illness whose expenses are high and you are covered with the lower sum insured policy, then ultimately the burden will be on your own savings, because it's a small coverage plan and it will give you a limited amount of money and you will have to pay the rest from your own pocket in the hospital. Now let me give you an example and let you know how risky are small coverage plans. Friends, suppose the earning member of your family is admitted in the hospital due to some critical illness and he is covered under a small coverage plan, let's say a 1 lakh coverage plan, and his treatment cost around 4 to 5 lakhs, which a lower coverage plan is insufficient to pay a bill of the whole treatment, and the rest of the family members are running here and there to arrange the remaining amount money, which is 4 lakhs. This is such a stressed up treatment procedure for all of the family members, including the patient. You should take it seriously, because if you ignore this, then your financial situation is in a big risk even after protect under a health insurance plan. You should have bought a high coverage plan, and this video is an eye-opener for you. Thank me later. Friends, the amount of insurance also depends on the amount of income of an individual. It means that a middle class family should buy at least 5 lakh sum insured plan. You should buy a floater plan instead of an individual plan, in which your whole family is covered and the premium will be affordable too. And at younger age, you buy a health insurance, then the premium will be low. Now you will understand the difference between individual and a floater policy. Suppose you are taking an individual policy of rupees 5 lakh, then in it only you are covered. But if you take a floater policy for rupees 5 lakhs, then in that policy, you yourself, your wife and children can also be covered. And this is a very rare situation when the whole family falls ill together. And apart from this, in floater policy, the sum insured will be useful for your entire family, and the premium will also be less. Now along with the floater policy, you can also take a top-up policy whose premium is very low and the sum insured increases significantly. For example, suppose you bought a floater policy for yourself and the whole family for rupees 5 lakhs. After that, you have also bought a top-up policy of rupees 5 lakh. Then the floater policy will work only when your earlier 5 lakh is spent. Now suppose your hospital bill charged around 6 lakh and 50,000. Then first from your floater policy 5 lakh will be deducted and the remaining 1 lakh 50,000 rupees will be paid from the top-up policy. This is how useful is the top-up policy. Now if we look at the premium, then suppose the premium of floater policy is rupees 20,000 for 5 lakh plan, then the premium of top-up policy of rupees 5 lakh will be only rupees 5,000. And if we use this combination, then the whole policy will come in just rupees 25,000. That too for your entire family. Your sum insured will also increase to rupees 10 lakhs, which is completely a sufficient amount to pay huge hospital bills. Apart from top-up, many insurance companies also provide add-on covers. These add-on covers greatly increases the efficiency of your policy. These add-on covers are also called riders. For example, maternity cover, hospital cash cover, critical illness cover, personal accident cover, Ayush treatment cover, pre-existing disease cover can be taken. And our policy capacity increases substantially on depositing some additional premium for these riders. Now some people think that if we don't get sick, that the amount which we had paid as a premium, whole money will be wasted. But no, money is not wasted, it's just a waste thought. Understand it with an example. Suppose a man paid 10,000 premiums for 6 years and nothing happened to him. But in the 7th year, if he got diagnosed with some critical illness and his expenses came around 2 lakhs, imagine in this situation if he had discontinued that policy, would he have got rupees 2 lakh from the policy? No, not even a penny. The most important thing for you is the peace of mind. If you take health insurance, you are sure that someone is ready to pay your hospital bills. You can get a stress-free treatment and you will not going to face any financial crisis in the future because hospital bill is the only huge debt which drain our savings. So friends, this was a little information about how important is health insurance in our life. To know more about this, you can contact us with the help of a number show up on the screen. You can contact me with this number. Friends, that's all in today's video. Hope you found the information given in this video really beneficial for you. We will continue to bring you important information related to life and health insurance for you. We want to thank all of you wholeheartedly because of the continuous contribution of you people. Today our channel has completed the family of more than 13,000 people plus 6 lakh viewers. All the people who are connected with us in this journey, stay with us in this journey, and if you are new on our channel, then subscribe to our channel and be a part of our family. Thank you for watching our video.